What happens to your back if you crack it every single day? 0 to 3 months. It feels good. Too good. Your joints are slowly losing their natural resistance. 6 months. The cracking stops working. You push harder. Your ligaments are starting to stretch beyond repair. 1 year. Your spine is unstable. Simple movements send sharp pain shooting down your legs. 2 years. The pain never leaves now. Most people reach for the Well-Life back pain relief patch just to get through the day because nothing else touches it anymore. 3 years. The nerve damage is setting in. Your hands go numb. Your posture collapses forward permanently. 5 years. Doctors call it hypermobility syndrome. Your spine can no longer support your own body weight. 10 years. You cannot stand without a brace. Every vertebra has shifted. The damage is irreversible. The crack that felt harmless destroyed the one structure holding your entire body upright.